Hello everybody, and Nate Tebb here at C2E2 with...
Skidmorpheus.
And Skidmorpheus, what kind of armor are you wearing?
I'm wearing a Mark IV armor from Halo Infinite.
Very cool indeed. Now, if you wouldn't mind, can you tell us how you made this suit of armor?
This suit of armor is mainly printed in TPU for like the chest and stuff, but it's also printed in PLA, so it's 3D printed armor and a resin-printed visor.
Now, I always ask people, is there anything in particular that you're especially proud of with your suit of armor?
Well, this one is my test for building a game-accurate suit of armor, so it's not complete yet, but so far it's very accurate to my multiplayer Spartan in Halo Infinite.
Well, it certainly looks absolutely phenomenal. Now, I noticed this number here, 728. What's the significance behind that?
That's my den number that I got when I got deployed with the 405th. That is also the birth dates of my children, so the 7th and the 28th.
Now, is this the first suit of armor you've ever made, or have you made other suits of armor, and what have those looked like?
This is my second suit of armor, but it's my first Spartan. My first suit of armor was the ODST right here. I made that for Planet Comic-Con last year. It was my first time attending Planet Comic-Con and C2E2, and I used mainly that suit. But this is my first time attending C2E2 with this suit.
And what do you like about C2E2 this year in particular?
I really enjoy the fact that we got the brand new booth that we made. It was a collaborative effort from the members of the 405th. I think it looks wonderful, and I'm glad that so many people come out to C2E2 to celebrate Halo.
We love to hear it, we love to hear it. Now I got one more question for you, and I always ask everyone this. If someone wants to make their own suit of Halo armor, where can they go?
They can go to the405th.com to learn all they need to know to make Halo armor for themselves.
There you go, folks, 405th.com. This is Skidmorpheus, I'm Nate Tebb, and we'll see you later.